Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Land Rover Defender 110 3-litre D250 SE. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Eiger Grey metallic paint. To start off with, then you have your matrix LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have 20-inch 5-spoke satin dark grey alloy wheels, really complementing against the Eiger Grey exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the car, you can find your full-size spare alloy wheel, ideal for any occasion you may need it. And as we open up the boot, you can see that you have a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the ebony Windsor leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system. Once again, you can find that lovely upholstery, providing you and your passengers the utmost comfort. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 5,557 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. You also have a head-up display, which allows you to see the speed you're travelling at without taking your eyes off the road. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is a navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music. You also have 4x4 information, wade sensing and terrain response info, making the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on. Pairing this with the electronic air suspension, helping to raise and lower the vehicles, making it suited for any condition. You also have your 360 view camera, which allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. The front seats are both heated and ventilated, and as well as this, you also have a dual zone climate control where you can individually adjust the temperature. This has been a presentation on a Land Rover Defender 110 3-litre D250 SE that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.